Hi girls, I would like to walk you through the problem set that I'm asking that you work on during your class time today at home. So as you can see, if you click on the attachment to this assignment, you can pull up the same document that I'm looking right here. So I'm asking that you work on 3 of them, and you are going to get out notebook paper and attack the problems, and I want to see your attack. I want to see the scribbles, the approach, and I want you to so that I can see how your brain is thinking. I'm looking at how you approach things, how you problem solve. And then I would like at the end you to give me a solution. So bottom line me, but I'm not just looking for the bottom line. I'm looking for the journey and the process of the thinking going on for you to problem solve and do these problems. Okay, we're going to break them down one by one, and then you're going to go to work. So here we go. Number 1, Theo, the tallest, is older than Miguel, the lightest. Jerome, the oldest, is shorter than Nick, the heaviest. No one has the same rank in any category. For example, if someone is the second tallest, he can't also be the second heaviest or the second oldest. You're going to take these 4 boys, Theo, Miguel, Jerome, and Nick, and rank them in 3 categories: age, height, and weight. So I recommend and have seen girls be super successful with a chart, so that you can use that chart and what you know, and then maybe guess and check. You'll tell me how you're going to come up with it. So there you go. That's number 1. Number 2, how many squares are there on an 8x8 checkerboard? So I personally would draw an 8x8 checkerboard, and you're going to look at it, and if you were just on the speed train, you'd say 64. Boom, good, done. But hold on. Yes, you can see 64 1x1 squares, but what about 2x2 squares, or 3x3 squares, or 4x4? When you start looking at it, there is a pattern. So you can count. I have got lots of different approaches on this as well, but show me how you attacked it, and what do you think the bottom line answer is. Number 3, we've looked at this several times in class. Several of you have. In my advisory, we've looked at this too. So it says 9 dots in a 3x3 square array, see the picture below, are to be joined by 4 consecutive lines without removing the pencil from the paper. How do you do that? So I'm going to show you what, so consecutive lines means in a row. So like, if, for example, oops, I don't mean to do that. Let's erase this. That's too big. Let's look at this. So if I have my pencil and I go this line, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I just did it in 5. Can you do that in 4? Can, without lifting your pencil, you connect all the dots? It can be done. You show me how you can do it, and show me your practice ones, and if and when you get it, show me the arrows in which the directions that you go. Okay, now scoot it to number 4. This one says you have 21 marbles in 4 boxes. You want to distribute the marbles into the boxes with an odd number of them in each box. Can it be done? If so, show me how. And if not, why? You can't just tell me, oh, I tried and tried and it just can't be done. Well, maybe you just don't know how to do it. That doesn't mean just because you've tried, mathematically, why wouldn't it work? Or show me that it does work. So that's how you do this one. Number 5, it's super fun to work on, a little hard to explain what I mean, and there's a lot of big words that can sound intimidating here. So let's break this one down. Place 3 X's and 3 O's in a row so that the consecutive symbols are touching and the symbols alternate. Consecutive means side by side, and symbols, so I'm going to show you here, that's, you're going to have X, O, X, O, X, O. And I'm going to show you in a minute, we're going to use magnets at the whiteboard, but you're going to alternate your symbols, X, O, X, O, and you want, so this is your start. And you want, I'll show you your finish, so let's keep reading. A move consists of sliding a pair of adjacent, that's next to each other, symbols to a new position in the row without interchanging them. Pair is 2, adjacent is next to each other. Can you, by a sequence of moves, put all the X's on one end of the row and the O's on the other? So you either want to have at the end X, 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 O, 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 or O, 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 X, X, X. This is goals. Okay, now I'm going to press pause, move my situation to the board, and I'm going to show you how to do it using, and I also used little circles, pieces like from a game, that is a good way to do it, but the board is also going to work. Okay, so now you're looking at my board. These are magnets, and you are allowed to take 2 of them and scoot them together without switching them to another side. So see what I just did? I moved them over here. So now I took these 2 over here and moved them over here. Now I also could take these 2 right here and move those. Oh, I'm just showing you how to do it. And then I actually could take, like if I moved these 2, then boom, look what I just did. I just made it so that I had 3 X's in a row, 3 O's, or whatever, 3 oranges and 3 silvers. So that's what you're going to do. Again, you're going to start, let me start here, boom, 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 and you're going to hold 2 of them together and move them so that you could go boom. You're going to move them so that you now, and you might have to, if you slide, I'll let you show me that, but I would prefer that you not slide, and I really did just accidentally do it the exact right way for you. So don't rewind mine, but look, and then so then I could move, like if I slid this, I could move this over here, then this over here. I just have to move 2 at a time, and I want to end up with all one color, or all X's, all O's on different ones. Okay, so hopefully that helped make sense. If that's totally crazy, then skip number 5 and do the other 3. But I think that one's super fun. I'll let you work on it in class if you don't understand totally, but I hope you do. All right, go get them. Show me your work. Bring all that in to class, and next time I see you, I'll look forward to talking about it with you. Bye.